What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum update. Are we seeing reaccumulation or are we seeing redistribution? That is the question here. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to look at that Elliot Wave count. We are going to talk a little bit about Tencent. I've mentioned that project to you a while back about kind of integrating regular traditional stocks with crypto. Definitely worth checking out. They are making some big moves. They're getting some listings on exchanges. And then we'll take a quick look at Litecoin and Ethereum. Don't forget, we do a free Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway. We do that every Monday. All you have to do to enter to win is scroll down. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up. I can't stress that enough. Let's go for 1,000 likes. Hit the thumbs up, leave your comment down below. That will get you entered to win. We're also going to be doing some changes to this channel. I will keep the Bitcoin updates the same, but I'm thinking once or twice a week we're going to do another show talking about, and it'll probably be in the evening, we're going to be talking about other crypto projects and whatnot. And thanks to BitBoy for having Tom McDonald on. He is my favorite musician. I was really surprised to see him. That kind of changed my whole opinion on the decentralized altcoin movement. So you're going to want to see that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be on BitBoy Friday, and I do want to talk about that a little bit if he has time. So anyways, let's take a look at the wick-off distribution that we had up here. The question is, are we making redistribution and we have another leg down here, which would look something like this, and we've talked about this. I expect this area, according to the Elliot Wave theory, which we're going to look at next, this wave 2 was a simple correction. I expect this one to be more of a complex correction if we do have the continued downside, which would be redistribution. And I'll show you what that looks like here. Let's pull up redistribution right up here. I hope you guys can see this. I'll zoom in a little bit. Right up here we had distribution, and then if it's redistribution, we can look for another leg down. Now if it's reaccumulation, that would look more like this right here. As you can see, we would bounce around still in this area for a while before breaking up. So a break above this 44.7 area, I think that's pretty much gonna say we're gonna go up and this was reaccumulation. But as of right now, I myself am still leaning for redistribution, which means one more leg to the downside. Reason being the Elliot Wave count, and I will show you what will invalidate that also. But as of right now, that is what I'm looking at, guys. So we're taking a look at the chart from yesterday. As you can see, we did break out of this trend sooner than I expected if it was going to happen. That gives us a measured move of actually way up around the 52.4 range, which would be also this old support here. I'm not convinced we're going there. It is definitely possible. We'll have to keep an eye on this, but this triangle could have been wrong. We could end up seeing something more in the lines of this here, and one more push down, because an actual triangle should end up looking something like, let me find ABC right here. This would be the triangle. This would be wave A, B, C, D, E, and then our leg down. We'll have to see how this plays out. Obviously, our EMAs are turning up. I'll leave that EMA strategy up top. I've talked to you guys about that before. But what happens if this does turn around here, come back down? We're going to move this over now to around that 32.2 range, possibly even further, depending on if it even comes back down here. But a break of that would give us the first measured move of, we would move this one up now. You have to be nimble with the charts, right there around 19.3. And if we look here, we're still making hidden bearish divergence. We're making higher highs in the RSI, lower highs in the price action. We'll see how this plays out again, guys. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in trading where you can make money whether Bitcoin goes up or down, definitely check out PHEMEX BT. It is my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you. You don't see all the scam wicks you see on the other exchanges. Definitely check them out. I'll leave a tutorial up top on how to use their margin and also how to copy trade on there. It's all in that video. And you can use my link below. That will get you a $200 bonus. Plus, if you use the promo code SAVVY50, that'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit. So if you deposit 1 Bitcoin, you get a half a Bitcoin bonus to use towards your margin. Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. Now, here's the Elliot Wave I was talking about. This is my Elliot Wave count for here. This being wave 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. And as we've been talking about, this is the invalidation point of the Elliot Wave count. Wave 4 cannot pass 47.1. So we could get up as high as 47.1 and still continue down for this wave 5. But I still think we form some kind of triangle here, and that would make this end up also, if looking at it as Elliott Wave, would make this a wave 4 and then one more wave down to 5. And I still think that could be a bearish case, guys. And I've talked about, if you guys watch my channel all this time, I've always talked about June being a low. That's another thing that points me to this. There was a 450-day low cycle on Bitcoin. I'm not going to go into it right now, but I have made videos on it in the past. If you have been watching the channel, you'll know. I do think this may be a good spot to long if we do come down to this wave 5 area, which would be around 23,000, somewhere in there. Just make sure you're subscribed, because we will keep you updated on this if this does happen. But I expect a wave B, this being a bull trap. Being a B, C, like I have drawn out here, making the B, everybody get really bullish, and then another big crash down towards the end of next year. I'm still looking at the possibility of a 10,000 or below Bitcoin. Again, if we break this top trend line when we come up here, depending on if, when, and where we break it, if it was to go up here now within the next few days, would be around the 49. If we get back above 50, all this is probably invalidated if we get up to 50 before coming down to these ranges. So again, I will keep you updated on that stuff. Also, BYBIT is doing a $2,600 bonus giveaway. You can use my link below to get that also, just to throw that out there so you guys know. Let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracements. We've had this on here for a very long time, and like I said, there's the 20 or the 13 and the 8 have crossed the 200 here, unless we can jump up above this 41.6. Now this is looking at it using EMAs. If we can jump above the 41.6 and get support there, then our next target would be the 50,600. Again, I don't think we're going to do that. I think we'll most likely come down and at least test this 0.5 fib here, and that wave 5 would get us somewhere down into the $26,000, 25, 23, 26, somewhere in there. This is the golden pocket retracement of this whole move. So if that didn't hold, you know, obviously it could go much lower if this is redistribution and it just continues down. So be careful, be cautious. And 10 set, I've talked about this. I told you guys when I got in down here at about $2.50, I explained to you guys why I got in, because of this breakout. It was purely based on the charts. But if you look into them, they're doing some integration with Visa. They're listing on some popular exchanges. They're doing a lot of stuff. It does seem to be like a great idea, of course, and everything's risky in the crypto market, but it is something if you want to check them out. They do have a Telegram that keeps you post up to date on what they're doing. They are pretty active there, so definitely check it out if you're interested. And let's take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin has got back above the 200 EMA. Not to say it's going to stay. We still have higher or lower highs in the price action, higher highs in the RSI. That is hidden bearish divergence. I'm still looking for this $70 to $80 range for Litecoin possible, unless we break above this trend line again, and that's going to be somewhere around the 227 area. So if we can get above that, get support, then I think Bitcoin and everything else has hit bottom. Litecoin, or I'm sorry, Ethereum, we are getting rejected at 21 EMA right now at 20. Well, the EMA is actually at 29.50. So break above that and support, then we could be headed back up to this 3,900 area. Otherwise, I think we turn around. I still see Ethereum breaking this 200 200 EMA here. As of right now, this high is a little bit higher than this swing high here, but the daily hasn't closed yet. If the daily does come, if the daily closes lower than 27.75, then that's going to be hidden bearish divergence here with another leg down. And as you can see, there's plenty of room to come down. So I'm still looking for that around $1,100 to $1,200 target for Ethereum. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the Crypto Savvy logo above my head. Check out my wife's webpage, inkyourimage.com. She has a lot of cool stuff on there, and you can put anything you want on any of this stuff. There's also glass, aluminum, all kinds of other things. Definitely check it out. It's quality stuff. But she can put any project, anything you want. You just tell her what you want, and she can get it on this stuff for you. Again, guys, thanks again for watching. Happy trading. Be safe out there. Always, always, always use stop losses if you're trading. Never put in more than you're willing to lose, and use risk management, and then you'll be all right. Take it easy, guys. I'm out.